ang mag-asawang Nick at Becca na mula pa sa
Hollywood
United
Pageant.
Kingdom. Wala raw kakayang magkaroon ng anak ang dalawa, kaya minirapat nilang mag-anak.
Ito natin!
Mga pageant, Nick pageant.
our work, and we found that as a foreigner you have to live in the country for 3 years before you can adopt.
2 taong gulang daw.
Ito si AJ, tapos si Jordan yung babae.
Si AJ.
Oh, AJ.
Ayon sa DS
Yan, ma'am.
declared abandoned ng bata. Sa ngayon, 7 taong gulang na ito.
Just happened to be in the home we were going to, and then we popped in there. So he had a relationship with us with the name. He wasn't our adopted child then, he was our foster child. We had to wait. When our 3 years were up, he was then ready to be legally abandoned, and we were just stuck here. Thank goodness that we were obviously matched together and all coincided at the right time.
Iba naman ang kaso ng isa pa nilang anak-anakan na si Georgia.
Georgia man si Georgia.
Ibigay ng mga
Ngayon,
gulang
kami
ng bata
nagpa-drum sa room na
ang
yan.
kustodiya sa DSWD. At ngayon, inaasikaso na ang mga papeles para maging legal na ang pag-ampon nila kay Georgia.
We were so excited. We didn't really know what we needed, did we? We had to get everything from scratch. We had a bed, toys. It was just beautiful children. We felt so blessed to have them in our lives.
Makailang beses na rin daw nilang naisama sa kanilang bansa ang dalawang bata. Maging ang mga kamag-anak nila doon, masaya rin daw sa pagdating ng dalawang anghel sa kanilang buhay. Plano na mag-asawa na muling bumalik sa United Kingdom para doon manirahan. Ngunit
Georgia.
hindi raw nila aalisin ang pagka-Pinoy sa dalawang bata.
You know, the Philippines is bringing back, we know, the clinic where he was born, you know, where COVID.
Ngunit kung sakaling dumating daw ang oras na hanapin ng mga bata ang tunay nilang magulang,
We would help them if we can.
Ngayon, magaling magulong siya.
I wanted him to know if we fully report it, and then we can give him our love for him as an organisation.
ito ang receptionist para sa Center for Children dito sa Quezon City na tinatag mula pa noong 1960s. Dito kadalasan nagmumula ang mga batang pinapampon mula edad 8 taon pababa. Sa ilalim ng Republic Act 8552 o ang Domestic Adoption Act of 1998, maaaring ipaampon ang sinumang bata na may edad 18 taong gulang pababa kung kusang isinuko ng mga magulang nito ang kanilang karapatan sa bata. Maaari na rin ampunin ng mga batang iniwan at